We're going to go through and do an example of how to deal with entering an order when we do not have the appropriate customer phone number. At times, a sales associate may overlook the customer's phone number and we still have to enter the order, and we will use the following method to deal with those types of orders. Under sales entry, you'll start off with your series number. In this case, for the example, I'm going to use store 3. I put in S3 and I get this particular invoice number. I have the sale date and I have the salesperson's code. If I don't have the customer's phone number to build their account with, what we'd like to do is use the invoice number and then add the appropriate number of zeros to the end, because it has to be in the appropriate phone number format, which has the area code dash and then 3 digits dash and then the 4 digits. So in this case, for this example, I'm going to pop in 333 111 29, and then I'm going to add 2 zeros to the end so it fits the format accordingly. In the name, I'm going to put test customer 123 Easy Street, Holland, Michigan 49424. I will pop through. I'm going to leave this as a sales type 3 because we know we have an issue with the order, and our sales associate is going to have to go through and take steps on retrieving the customer number, so then we can do a change of customer number and record the appropriate account number for them. Okay. So moving down here, I'm going to pop quantity 1. I'm going to grab a particular part that I can find. And then I would run through and complete the required order information, save the order, update comments, and I would add a comment on here that JPI forgot to get customer phone number. He will provide this information to correct the account. Alright. And I will then, I'm not going to print the order in this example. So that's how we would go through to enter an order that does not have the appropriate customer number. The salesperson's methods of getting those would be ideally looking them up in the phone book, online, calling them, or worst case scenario mailing them and having them respond to call into the store to give us the updated phone number.